If you have busy schedule but want to improve your English speaking skills, then this video is for you. Everyone is busy, right? Whether you are working or housewife, it is easy to feel that there is no time to learn English. Today I am going to address this issue in this video. So stay tuned till the end to watch this video. I'll share a few methods for incorporating English into your schedule without devoting too much time. If you want to turn on Hindi subtitle, then click on CC icon, click on the setting icon and choose Hindi subtitles. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raviyaparveen. We often don't have trouble finding time for our hobbies, right? It is not as hard to find time to do the things that we like to do. In fact, sometimes we are so passionate about our hobbies that we do them even when we should be doing other things like studying or working. If learning English is really matters to you, then you have to dedicate 20 minutes for 20 minutes to your English journey every day. If you can turn your passion into English, you may find that you become really good at finding time to learn English. I truly believe that everyone, even the busiest of people, can manage 20 minutes a day. Try to start your day with this small assignment. Number one, learn one new word or one idiom or phrase and do one question. Try to use that word and phrase in the sentences. If it is difficult for you to use it in the sentences, then you can search Google how to use that particular word or phrase in sentences. You can note down all those words or phrases in the flashcard or you can use mobile phone. I prefer to use Google Drive because it is handy to use. You can use it anywhere, anytime. If you never use it before, then you can install it from the Play Store and start using it. One more benefit of using Google Drive is that you can find any word you have written before. It becomes your personal database because every day you noted down one word, one idiom and phrase, and after 1 year it becomes so many. It becomes so many words. If you forget any word while having conversation, you can refer in your Google Drive database. For example, suppose I want to search what is papad in English. I will open my Google Drive page, then click on three dot and click on find and replace. I will type papad and press enter. Here you go. Papad is papadam. If you want to be fluent in English, then you have to do practice. If you are thinking, I want to do practice, but I don't know how, I don't have topics, or I don't have partner to practice with, then I have a solution for this problem. You can go to the conversationstarter.com. I'll mention the link in the description. You can check out. You can find any new topic on each click. At least you have to answer one question every day. Hardly it will take 5 minutes. Uh, all the apps mentioned in this video are free and I love to share those things which help me in my journey. Number 3, do the things you already do but in English. For example, maybe you already watch TV or maybe you watch news channel in Hindi. You do watch your favorite shows but watch in English. You can find more time to learn English by doing these same things in English. In my case, I don't have time to watch TV, so I listened English podcasts, audiobooks while doing home chores. I'm kind of obsessed with listening activities. Listening is easy and an essential part of language acquisition. So you must do it regularly. And you can listen anywhere, anytime. I think uh, you can fit into your schedule while you are doing other things. Number four, make use of downtime. I often find myself somewhere with little pockets of downtime. Maybe I am waiting somewhere or out for a walk or commuting. I often try to make use of that time by using it to learn English. My favorite way to do that is by using a Google Drive. I use Google Drive to revise my vocabulary, idioms, yeah, phrases. It is a great way to make use of those little extra moments when we cannot do much else. Let me ask you a question. How many times do you pick up your phone to check WhatsApp app or WhatsApp messages or status in a day? Whenever you check the status, watch reels, it takes time, right? So cut down those activities little by little and follow some English channels or Instagram pages. If you find some, be curious to learn something new. If you find something new, jot down in your Google Drive. For example, I love to read news article in short app. Whenever I pick up my phone, I check my InShort app. If any headlines caught my attention, then I read it thoroughly. You can be fluent if you do the if you can be fluent if you build up your vocabulary. Practice, practice, practice. Number 3, do the things you already do but in English. Number 4, make use of downtime. That's all from my side. Enjoy learning. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.